seems pretty simple. We need to turn our cells into a kind of solar panel. And that means scientists have a whole lot of work to do. Garbage flies. What other surprises might genetically modified insects have for us? For instance, some are being taught to eat garbage. A group of Australian scientists is modifying soldier flies to help them break down organic waste more efficiently. It's worth saying that these flies are already being used in commercial settings for food waste disposal, but why modify them? The point is, the flies that have been bred so far have a pretty narrow menu, and the new genetic changes will let larvae consume a broader variety of waste. By the way, this is a very serious issue. Around 1 billion tons of food waste are produced each year, and no one can handle it better than flies. Actually, the plans for the soldier flies are grand and go far beyond just recycling waste. Insects could be adapted for various purification methods, transforming harmful substances into less toxic or inorganic compounds, evaporating pollutants into the atmosphere, and accumulating certain substances in their bodies. So you get it. Not all superheroes wear capes. Some of them, well, have wings. Females will manage on their own. If you regularly watch our videos, you probably know that females of some animal species can reproduce just fine without the help of males. This phenomenon is called parthenogenesis, and it looks like fruit flies might be on the list of animals that can do this on their own. Recently, researchers discovered genes that allow one species of fruit flies to produce offspring without fertilization from a male sperm. Then they genetically modified another species, which usually reproduces sexually, to reproduce the same way, and it worked. For the first time, they managed to get a fly to produce offspring without a male's involvement, and those offspring developed to adulthood and were able to repeat the process. The study, published in Current Biology, lasted 6 years and involved 220,000 flies. In short, the scientists took the issue seriously. So what was the point of all this? It's known that parthenogenesis used to be available to animals like lizards and honeybees, as well as certain species of sharks. Well, according to scientists, experiments with fruit flies allowed them to, get this, to better understand the atypical way of reproduction that has now been discovered in these insects. And no, this method won't work on humans. Besides better understanding, I couldn't find any other goal for this study. If you have any info, feel free to share in the comments. And as usual, you owe me exactly 1 like. See you later.